You know, many love to start the day off with a good breakfast of pancakes covered in maple syrup. In this week's So Minnesota, Joe Mason travels to a family farm where they've been making maple syrup for more than a century.
When it's 60 degrees, this is what we're getting. Gonna need to fire up.
Kevin and Josh Slattergren
It's a little darker.
both have maple syrup in their blood.
It is. It kind of flows in our veins, I guess.
But this father and son won't be sweet and sugar-coated.
All right.
Test the syrup here.
Working together all day, every day, occasionally turns a bit sour.
And I go, what do you want to do with my syrup?
Yeah, he's particular. We have difference of opinions occasionally, but we work well as a team, absolutely.
They've made maple syrup on their family farm in Schaefer for the past 5 generations.
Labor of love.
It's all labor of love, and it's as natural as you can get.
The love of Kevin's life, Teresa, his wife of 48 years, married into the flavorful farm.
I never liked maple syrup as a kid because I just didn't like the taste, but of course it was Aunt Jemima or Log Cabin, so I didn't learn to like it until I joined the family. And maple syrup's good.
Did you tell him that you didn't like maple syrup? You guys were dating?
It was a sticky conversation.
For more than 100 years on 100 acres, the family taps what nature gives, quickly turning liquid gold on a shelf.
It can be as little as a week.
The maple season usually starts around mid-March and lasts about a month.
A lot of times we're out trudging through 2 feet of snow in the middle of March.
Here's my helper. How you doing?
But our unusually warm winter pushed up the season to late January
This is maple sap.
and early February.
One for the record book. You know, I doubt we're going to see another year like this.
Over the decades, the family's maple syrup has brought generations of families into their store.
It's fun to see repeat customers coming and saying how much they really like the syrup and they like our place.
Things have really changed since they started making maple syrup here all those years ago. But one thing that hasn't? The family tradition.
It's evolved into something that's been a great blessing.
It's fun to have a family tradition like that. Brings the family together.
Go ahead, I'll let you. Do you need gloves?
We got some right here.
It brings father and son together,
Just don't kick it out of the way, right?
and occasionally just a tad bit apart.
Ever get into any arguments?
Sometimes.
How do you think Josh was doing? Do you give your stamp of approval for him?
Stamp of approval.
Good fathers make good sons. In Schaefer, Joe Mason, 5 Eyewitness News.
Very nice, Joe. Every week, Joe takes us to a different part of Minnesota. Send us your ideas about where you'd like to see him go next. Just drop us an email at nightcast@ksdp.com. Well,